Living on a golf course is like waking up every day to a living masterpiece. The rolling fairways framed by soaring pines, majestic hardwoods, and glistening ponds create a panoramic vista that inspires awe and tranquility. Sound intriguing? Hi, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection, and 13 Muirfield Rd, Cumberland, and Falmouth Country Club is not just a place to live, but a place to thrive where every day is a canvas waiting to be painted with unforgettable moments. Built in 2000 and situated on just over an acre of land, overlooking the 13th hole, this 3,000 square foot home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, formal dining, and an inviting all-season sunroom. As you'll see, the custom fit and finishes throughout are exceptional and no detail overlooked. Turn food into theater in this wonderful kitchen, recently updated with the top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop, wine cooler. This space is truly a chef's dream. The oversized island is a centerpiece and is perfect for hosting guests and family gatherings. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual cook with an affinity to experiment, this kitchen is sure to impress. From the dining room to the 2 separate family areas, the adjacent sunroom, the first floor is thoughtfully designed for both entertaining and comfortable living. Highlighted by a cozy fireplace, ample natural light in all directions, and of course, views of the backyard and golf course. Tranquility found. Upstairs you'll find 4 bedrooms, one of which is oversized, a full bath, and a primary suite whose bathroom has been recently updated. Living on a golf course is a dream come true for many. From sipping an espresso in the morning, in this case coffee in the afternoon, or enjoying your favorite cocktail at sunset, this sensational home offers the best of all worlds. To learn more or to set up a private tour, call or text me soon. Until next time, I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.